I started Allahu Akbar and I'm praying. And I know I'm supposed to make 4 units for dhuhr. Right or wrong? 4 units, okay? The farad. I make 1 and I'm trying to get up and I think, hey, how many did I do? Did I do 2 or 1? Okay. Does it happen? Look, everyone said yes. Anyone saying no here? Okay. So sometimes you do 3 and then you think to yourself, did I do 2 or 3? Did I do, right? I can't remember, 2 or 3, you know? What did I do? And sometimes you finish your salah, the 4 are done, but you're still thinking, am I on the 3rd one or am I on the 4th one? Right? It happens to all of us, including myself. Including the imams in the big masjids on earth. It happens to them also. So people say, oh, you know what? I don't know. Can I tell you something? Throw your doubt. The hadith speaks about it, so that means it happened to the Sahaba as well. Oh, here goes. The hadith says, إِذَا صَلَّى أَحَدُكُمْ فَلَمْ يَدْرِ أَوَاحِدَةً صَلَّى أَمْ اثْنَتَيْنِ. It's saying when any one of you prays and you don't remember whether you made 1 or 2, then this is what you should do. Oh, that means it happened already to people before me who were better than me. Don't become depressed and despondent. What do? Initially, the teaching is you build on the smaller number. And you do sujood sahu. You build on that which you are certain it was. But when it becomes a disease and it's happening to you in every prayer, then you deal with it differently. You don't entertain the doubt. You complete your salah and you leave it unto Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.